Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the license plate light, also known as tag light, license plate light, fuses, relays are located on GMC terrain, guys. That generation here from year 2010 to 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. By the way, guys, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be unusual fix. We'll explain what we're talking about in the video. And if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, for the license plate light, also known as tag light, which fuses and relays we will need to check here specifically now, guys. Come to explain on that generation GMC terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead guys and open the hood first. Facing the engine on the right side here, you see that's the driver's side. You have the brake fluid reservoir, next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there, release them, lift the cover up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, what we need to check now multiple fuses, relays in that fuse box, and we need to go to a different one, check some more. You see that fuse number 35, check that one, and fuse number 36, those are important fuses, and relay 59, guys, right here will need to be checked. Then we need to come and check some BCM fuses, we'll explain why. Open the front right passenger door. In the footwell compartment, you see here on the side of the center console we have a cover. Pop that cover on the bottom, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. The BCM fuses, that's a body control module, will control many of the lights as well. So here specifically you need to check fuse number 4, 6, 7, 8, 4, 6, 7, 8, 16, 20, 30, then you go to, that's 31, 32, 33, 34, and fuse number 40. All these fuses will need to be checked, guys. Now, if you still have problem with the light, okay, check the bulb, of course, right? Check bulbs, make sure you get the correct size bulb. Sometimes they look identical, but if the part number is not the same, okay, they may not work. If you had a bad bulb or a bad fuse, the BCM may actually deactivate that light function. So what you need to do, you need to get a scanner. You need to access the BCM, the body control module, and reset the codes in the BCM. And every system in the car as well, so clear all the codes, start clean and see if that fixes the problem. Sometimes that's what it takes here at the garage after replacing a bad light bulb or a fuse related to a light, that we will need to reset the systems for everything to work correctly, guys. Okay, and if you want to see which scanner we use here at the garage, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.